Hey, Memo here with PowerScreen and Shade in Southern California. I just finished up a project out in Yorba Linda that I have to tell you about. The homeowner had a California room, and not just any California room. This thing was massive. Beautiful modern pool right next to it, clean design, incredible space. You could tell they put serious thought and money into building it out. It was almost perfect. Almost. Bugs were getting in every time they opened it up. And with the pool right there, privacy was basically non-existent. Neighbors had a direct line of sight in. That's exactly what our PowerScreens are built for. We fitted the openings out, and now that room is completely sealed off from insects. The neighbors can't see in during the day, but the family still has that wide open view of the pool. The screens are so clear that when they're deployed, you genuinely forget they're there. And when they retract, they disappear completely into the housing. There's nothing to look at. California rooms are everywhere out here in Orange County, and honestly, they're not finished until they have screens like this. It's the last piece that makes the whole space actually usable year-round. Apollo is factory direct. We measure, manufacture, and install everything ourselves. Over 20 years in the business and thousands of installs. When something's covered under warranty, you're talking to the people who built it.